Ken Baldovino, 19, from the city of Seven Lakes, San Pablo City.
Good afternoon, everyone. Daryl Leono Galino, from the home of Sikayan Festival, where we celebrate the hard work of our people, City of Santa Rosa.
I'm Jan Ivan Goas, 20, from tourist capital of Laguna, Pagsanghan.
Mabuhay, my name is James Andre Bayo, nagmula sa bayan Tanay de Rizal, Laguna.
Good day, everyone. I am Justin Vigante Valdivia, coming from the city of the Seven Lakes, San Pablo City.
Mabuhay, Laguna. I am John Paulo Sotomayor Cecilio from the Little Hollywood of Laguna, Magdalena.
Mabuhay, Aidan Victorino, 17, Calamba City.
Liam Omar Villarreal mula sa Pitong Lawa ng Laguna, San Pablo City.
Mabuhay, I am Prince Ariel Quinto Kapunuan, 24, from city of Santa Cruz. Mabuhay, James Ryan Ramos, 18, mula sa bayan ng Pitong Lawa, San Pablo.
Justin Kumar, I'm 16 and I'm from Santa Cruz.
Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ako po si Kenji Nesta Velasco, 22, mula sa bayan ng Nagcarlan.
Good day, Laguna. I am Martin Constantino from the tourist capital of Laguna, Pagsanghan.
Mabuhay, Laguna. I'm Ethan Lester Garcia Manalo, 21, from the municipality of Coromla.
Mabuhay, I am Edward Stanley Mendoza, 22, from Bayang Pinagpala, Pila.
Mabuhay, Jan Artides Alabi Reyes, 17, from the home of the Nuestra Senora de los Dolores de Toruba, bayan ng Papi.
I am Christian Lewis Gray, 23 years old, from the vegetable basket of Southern Luzon, the municipality of Nagcarlan.
Good day, everyone. I'm Janarby P. Padriaga, 23 years old, from the Special Science in Nature City, Los Baños.
Mapagpalang araw. I'm John Art Gerson C. Exconde, 18, nagmula sa bayan ng Rizal.
Kendrick Virgilio, 22, from the home of famous Ana Calang Lanzones Festival, Nagcarlan.